Okay, we're gonna make a lollipop. You're gonna be needing a blade, translucent, and whatever color you're gonna use for the lollipop. Okay, cut some translucent out. Okay. Right here, it's a bendy blade. I got it from Michael's. Okay. Okay, first you're gonna start mixing it. This one is Sculpey. Start mixing it. And then roll it into a ball. Doesn't have to be that good. Then push it down and flatten it. Then you're going to cut it into a square. Quiet, Earl. Making a video. And leave a little bit extra outside. Here it is. And then make another one. So roll it into a ball. Flatten it. Put your square on top of it. And then cut the same exact way how it was cut. Okay. We have two now. So now you're gonna put this down. Put one down. Get a little piece. Roll it. And then form it into a ball. Then right here you're gonna get your lollipop, the part of it, stick it in the middle. Then you're gonna put this on top of it. Then flatten the edges outside. Like that, and cut them. Okay. Then just flatten it since it's all thick. Press down and form it into a square. And then after that, you're going to need the color beige, or tan. Get a little piece. And you're gonna roll it into a snake. This is how I did mine. Then attach it to the bottom of your whatever it is, lollipop. And it should look like this. Once you bake it, you'll see the lollipop.